There are dyes in our food and meds, and U.S. health officials are working to phase some of these petroleum-based dyes out.
They don't add any nutritional value. They're really just used for appeal.
Evan Lasik is joining us. You spoke with folks here in East Tennessee who, Evan, say they're avoiding these dyes anyway before this ban was put into place.
Ted, Brittany, in his announcement this week, Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr. says when it comes to children, they need to be protected from the harm sugars and additives can bring. One dietitian says these artificial colors can be left out of foods. This week, Health and Human Services, along with the Food and Drug Administration, announced their plan to phase 8 more food dyes out of the American food chain.
It's disabling our population. So for those ingredients that we can't ban legally, we're going to start informing Americans about what they're eating.
Crystal Cameron is a dietitian in East Tennessee. She says these banned dyes do nothing for the food it is applied to.
Food dyes add a visual appeal to food. They don't add any nutritional value. They don't add any structural support. They just add color to the food.
Food dyes typically are found in candies, cereals, and other things that are commonly consumed by children, a fact that RFK Jr. did not want to overlook. Cameron says that while studies are inconclusive, they do raise cause for concern among parents.
Over the last 50 years, food dyes have increased in the food intake by 500%. So a lot of studies are coming out now. They're inconclusive, but they're conclusive enough to start getting people on board to advocate for the reduction of food dyes.
One East Tennessee business, the Wooden Spoon, has been making food with all organic flavors, meaning no dyes, no artificial additives, and is something they consider a healthier and safer option.
We knew we wanted our product to be dye-free, made with real fruits, colored with real vegetables, and so we just chose that option not only for our community, but also for our family.
Dylan Howell with the Wooden Spoon says their way allows people to enjoy their favorite snacks while also avoiding the dyes.
When you just do a little research and find out your options, I think it's safe to say that there are plenty of availability out there with desserts like this that are colored with real fruits, that are colored with real vegetables.
Crystal Cameron told me kids are usually the focal point of these debates because things like candy and cereal are advertised specifically to them, and those products often contain dyes. Ted?
Evan, appreciate it. Evan Lasik, thank you. Let's